Welcome to the third installment of the BigBigWon series. Hello, it's me, your fellow brethren, Noodle Nick. They've sent us another controller. It's a Hall Effect controller. It's 50 bucks. It's affordable. It works for Windows 10 and 11, Switch, Android, iOS. But it's 1000 hertz. It's got Hall Effect triggers. It's got Hall Effect joysticks, 4 back buttons. It's got 2.4 gig Bluetooth and wired mode. It's got macro and turbo function, 6-axis gyroscope. It's got a smart charging stand, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in. So we're gonna open it. Wow, look at that. That really looks like it looks like an Xbox controller, doesn't it? It's like the same exact shape. Okay, here's the little charging stand. Oh, there's extra sticks. Interchangeable stick. Yes, love that. And just your standard rubber cable. There she is. Oh, look at the little orange accent around the sticks. That's cute. I didn't notice that was there. No mouse click here, just membrane, I think. Interesting. Hall Effect stick. And then you have your D-pad. Also, just a membrane. You have a little picture, like a screenshot button or whatever, right in the middle. Your start button, your options button, maybe a connectivity button down here. Okay, and then for the top shoulder buttons, those are mouse clicks. And then your Hall Effect triggers. Pretty standard trigger, not mouse click. And you can't lock no adjustable heights on them, so you can't make short trigger. All right, so you have your 4 back buttons. Those are also not mouse clicks. Just your standard buttons. And then you have your little Wi-Fi button back here, I guess is your Bluetooth button. And then your 3 connections where you would plug it in on the stand. It's kind of, it's kind of personal preference. Typically with my Elite series controller that I use, sometimes it's better to aim with a longer stick. It doesn't really matter too much. It kind of helps with your accuracy to have a bit of a longer stick, although it's hard to get used to. And then with the shorter stick, I typically put that like on the left side, so put like a left. It's like a lot smoother than a normal like non-Hall Effect stick. It just feels like there's just no resistance. I don't know, but it's nice. That's pretty much it. 1000 hertz Hall Effect controller, Hall Effect sticks, Hall Effect triggers, BigBigWon. You have BigBigWon. If you click link in description, check it out if you're interested in another installment of the BigBigWon. Personally, I really liked that $30 controller from BigBigWon. For some reason, it's just good. It had like basically the same stats as this one, but just a little bit smaller, and it had a little screen on it, and it was only 30 bucks. So I don't know what they'd be doing with these controllers to keep them this cheap, but keep it coming, and we're just gonna hop into the game. Nice shield. Oh, that's huge.
Here they come.
Oh my god, the Doctor Strange.
The exciting area is yours to capture now. You need to teach me that skill, Stephen.
Oh my god. It felt like something just like dropped on my neck.
The mission area is yours.
It was probably just my hair like uncurling or something. It scared the crap out of me.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Feeling stronger already. Chaos always prevails. Double KO. That's
Oh my god, why is she so good? Does she even have to reload?
and so it begins.
The Black Panther.
Beasts of yours disgust me, Namor. Mission area.
No, they froze me? What? Why is that a thing? I don't need my all. I'll just cook you 1v1. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Fuck. No. Don't die.
Beasts of yours disgust me, Namor.
Oh, this Hulk really thinks he's him. Are you fucking kidding me?
I am ready.
That's the second time my ult just got Thanos snapped out of existence. Hello? That's some bullshit, bro. Oh my god, please kill Hulk.
Team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Extermination!
I got no one. I got no one. They're all back here now, though.
Nobody can stand up against a full-strength Scarlet Witch.
Oh my god, get fucking wrecked, kid. Am I pushing by myself here? Oh my god. Okay.
Chaos always prevails.
No, it was such a good game. Dude, we have to win 2 now. Ah, we can do it. They're trash.
Here they come.
Oh my god, yes, kill Jeff, kill Jeff, kill Jeff. Worth it. And I'm rezzed. Nice. Big hype.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Extermination!
Oh my god, my sense. Let's go.
Double Gale. That's 3.
That's me. Follow the enemy.
Wow, 4 in a row. Who's next?
That's okay. That's okay. He can't find an edge. He's too dumb. He got blocked off by a Groot wall. Get wrecked. No, 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 no. Oh, wait. Oh my god, that movement. That movement, though. I can't even get up there. Cringe. Bye.
Be right back. You're not going anywhere.
Bye. Oh, I'm dead.
That's better.
Oh my god, that aim assist just turned me all the way around. Oh, I'm dead.
Disappearing.
I'm not dead? Oh, that worked out. Thanks, Jeff.
Maximoff, the
Get out of here, Ultron. Did you forget?
Colors.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, I'm fine.
The end has come.
And I killed a quick Jeff at the end, too. Let's go, bro. Oh, we still have to win one more? Oh, no. I got too confident.
Relay deployed. It ain't
You're not going anywhere.
Those have to be Namor's weird friends. Full-strength Scarlet Witch.
Yes, Hulk. Hulk's almost dead.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Double KO.
Hey, team! Enjoy the amplifier!
I'm killing Ultron.
That's 3. Wow, 4 in a row. The mission area is yours.
And I'm gonna go ult on them in their spawn.
Flame up so we can all high five!
Where's their spawn?
But just for you.
Where you going, Groot? You think that wall's gonna save you, buddy?
Thanks for the heals.
Be right there.
Those have to be Namor's weird friends. Someone scratch my back.
Namor's plan was cursed from the start. Maximoff, the mutant threat, shows her true colors.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Under my spell.
Nobody can stand up against a full-strength Scarlet Witch.
Do you think they're sneaky peeking around? Yes, they are.
Double KO.
Where you going, bro? Ultron, switch characters. Ultron, switch characters. I will keep teaching you this lesson, old man. Why does it not do anything? How close do you have to be? Oh, Groot's going to the objective. He's running.
You belong to me!
Oh, yes! Lightsaber feed meme, it was meant to be. You freaking cooked you, dude. Did I get MVP? Be honest. Scarlet Witch MVP is wild, dude. Why is Scarlet Witch so good on controller? That's like cheating. I have 44 kills. That's my best game I've ever had in Marvel Rivals. On controller. The BigBigWon Mojon Gale Hall controller. This thing felt freaking awesome. I literally just had the best Marvel Rival game I've ever had in my life, even on keyboard and mouse, on anything ever on this controller. And I don't know what else to say, but play Scarlet Witch on controller, I guess, because it's basically cheating. It's great. I really like it. I like the feel of the sticks, nice and responsive, and the triggers feels nice. I mean, you know, it would be cool to see some mouse click incorporated maybe here. You know, it'd be cool to see like, you know, stoppers in the triggers so I could just like engage it this much and it still works. But, you know, it is what it is. I like the physical stoppers, even though you could basically do that in the software. So that's pretty much it. I really liked it. Smash like, subscribe, check out my other controller videos. I'll leave one of those up on the screen probably. Check out BigBigWon. Like I said, we've done 2 videos of BigBigWon. Nice, cheap, budget, effective, really good usable controllers. I have it plugged into my main PC, so I trust them, and they're a good brand, and I haven't had any problems with stick drift or anything like that. So if you're thinking about buying it, definitely check it out. If you've never heard of it, click link in description. $50. Bye. Smash like, subscribe. Bye. Obsbot, stop it. I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye bye. Control the video somewhere around here. Alright, bye. Bye.